What if I told you that some of the clothes sitting on Walmart's racks right now came out of the exact same factory as brands charging you $300 for the same thing? Not similar. Not inspired by. The same factory. Same stitching. Same fabric. Different label. And most women walk right past them every single time. Today that changes. Welcome back to Style Beyond 60. The place where looking put together never has to cost you a fortune. If you are new here, we are so glad you found us. This channel was built for women like you. Women who know their worth, love looking great, and refuse to waste money doing it. Make sure you stick around because by the end of this video, your next Walmart trip is going to look very different. Before we get into it, if no one has told you today that you deserve to look and feel amazing without emptying your wallet, well now you know. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a thing. We drop new videos every week just for you. Now let us get into the 7 Walmart pieces that are worth every single penny. Now, here's the thing most fashion channels will never tell you. The clothing industry has a little secret, and it has been hiding in plain sight for decades. Many major retailers, including some with very famous logos, source their pieces from a small pool of manufacturers worldwide. The difference between a $300 blouse and a $20 one from Walmart is often nothing more than the tag sewn into the collar. And today we are pulling back that curtain completely. Item 1. The Structured Ponte Knit Blazer. The first piece is the Structured Ponte Knit Blazer, and this one is a quiet powerhouse. Ponte knit is that thick, smooth, slightly stretchy fabric that holds its shape beautifully without feeling stiff or uncomfortable. High-end brands like Eileen Fisher and J. Jill have been selling Ponte blazers for anywhere between $150 to $300 for years. Walmart carries a nearly identical construction under their Time and True and Scoop labels, and most of them sit between $18 and $30. What makes this worth buying is simple. Ponte fabric does not wrinkle easily, it schemes the body without clinging, and it gives any outfit an instant polished look. Throw it over a plain tee and trousers and you look like you put real thought into your outfit, even if you got dressed in 10 minutes. For women over 60, this blazer works especially well because it adds structure without adding weight or discomfort. No shoulder pads. No stiff lining. Just clean, comfortable shape. Item 2. Pull-on straight-leg trousers. The second piece is something you probably already own a version of, but Walmart's version deserves a second look. Pull-on straight-leg trousers have become one of the most requested wardrobe items for women over 60, and for good reason. No zipper wrestling. No waistband digging in by noon. Just a smooth, clean leg line that works with almost everything in your closet. Brands like Chico's and Talbot's charge between $60 and $90 for their versions. Walmart's Time and True pull-on trousers do the same job for under $20. The key is knowing what to look for. You want a fabric with at least a small percentage of spandex or elastane in the blend, usually listed as 2 to 5%, because that is what gives the trouser its shape retention throughout the day. Walmart's options in navy, black, and camel are consistently well-reviewed and hold up well after repeated washing, which honestly is the real test of any clothing item. Pair them with a tucked-in blouse or a longline cardigan, and you have a complete outfit that looks far more expensive than it is. Item 3. The Linen Blend Button-Down Shirt. Third on the list is the Linen Blend Button-Down Shirt, and this one surprises people every single time. Linen has been a luxury fabric for centuries. It breathes, it drapes beautifully, and it has that relaxed elegance that looks effortless on women of every age. Premium linen shirts from brands like Quince or Banana Republic run between $60 and $120. Walmart carries linen blend button-downs, usually a linen-cotton mix, that deliver a very similar look and feel for under $25. Now a linen blend is actually smarter than pure linen for everyday, where because the cotton content reduces wrinkling, while keeping that lovely breathable quality intact. For summer outings, casual lunches, or even a dressed-up garden event, this shirt layered open over a fitted tank or fully buttoned with rolled sleeves is one of those effortless combinations that always looks intentional. The tip here is to size up one if you want that relaxed, lived-in drape that looks so chic right now. It makes all the difference. Now pause for a second because I need to ask you something. Have you ever walked into Walmart, looked around, and walked right back out thinking there is nothing here for me? I have heard that so many times, and I completely understand why. But what we are uncovering today is that the pieces are absolutely there. You just need to know which ones to reach for. Keep watching because the next few items are the ones that are going to genuinely change how you shop. And if this is already making you think differently about where you shop, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button right now. It truly helps this video reach more women, just like you, who deserve to know this information. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is a great time. We are building something really special here at Style Beyond 60, and we would love to have you as part of this community. Item 4. The Fluid Wide Leg Pant. Moving right along to item 4, the Fluid Wide Leg Pant, and this one is having a major moment right now. Wide leg pants in flowy, lightweight fabrics are everywhere in high-end fashion right now. Retailers like Anthropologie and Free People are selling them for $80 to $150. Walmart has quietly stepped into this space with options under $25 that move beautifully and photograph extremely well, which matters when you are putting together outfits that make you feel like yourself. For women over 60, the wide leg silhouette is incredibly flattering because it balances the body and creates a long, continuous line from waist to floor. The secret to wearing them well is proportion. Pair a wide leg pant with something fitted on top, a tucked blouse, a snug knit top, or a belted cardigan, and the whole outfit clicks into place immediately. Look for Walmart's Sophia jeans in Terra and Skylines here. Both carry options in solid colors and subtle prints that work beautifully across multiple seasons. Item 5. The Classic Crew Neck Knit Top. Item 5 is one of the most underestimated basics in any wardrobe. The Classic Crew Neck Knit Top. This is not the thin, see-through kind that loses its shape after 2 washes. We are talking about a medium-weight knit with a clean crew neck, slightly fitted through the body, long enough to tuck or leave out. Brands like Everlane and Madewell built entire reputations selling this exact top for $60 to $90. Walmart carries versions, particularly under the Scoop label, that are made from very similar cotton and modal blends and retail for $12 to $18. Modal fabric, which you will often see listed in the blend, is actually softer than cotton and has a subtle sheen that makes it look more elevated than it costs. It also drapes against the body in a way that is incredibly comfortable without being clingy. These tops in neutral shades like ivory, soft gray, dusty rose, and classic navy become the quiet workhorses of a well-organized wardrobe. They go under blazers, layer under cardigans, tuck into trousers, and stand alone with simple jewelry. One top, endless combinations. Item 6. The Longline Open Front Cardigan. Number 6 is the Longline Open Front Cardigan, and this one earns its place as a true wardrobe hero. A well-cut longline cardigan is one of the most versatile pieces a woman over 60 can own. It adds a layer without bulk, creates a vertical line that lengthens the silhouette, and works in every season depending on what you layer underneath. High-end versions from White House Black Market or Chico's run between $70 and $130. Walmart's Time and True cardigans in this style sit between $15 and $28 and come in an impressive range of colors each season. The reason this piece shows up on every stylist's must-have list is that it solves one of the most common wardrobe challenges women mention, which is feeling put together without feeling overdressed. A longline cardigan in camel, black, or a rich jewel tone over simple pieces instantly communicates that you have a sense of style without ever trying too hard. Drape it, belt it, or simply let it hang open. Every version works. Item 7. The pull-on denim jean with a real straight leg. And finally, number 7, and this might be the most important one on this entire list. Pull-on denim with a genuine straight leg cut. Now, pull-on jeans have been around for a while, but many early versions had that puffy, shapeless look around the hip and thigh that nobody wanted. Walmart's newer denim options, especially under the Sofia jeans by Sofia Vergara line, have completely changed that story. These jeans have actual structure in the denim, a real waistband with soft elastic backing, and a straight leg that sits and moves the way a proper jean should. Premium denim brands charge $100 to $200 for pull-on styles. These come in well under $40 and have garnered genuinely strong reviews from women across a wide age range. For women over 60, comfort in denim is non-negotiable, but so is looking like you are wearing real jeans and not simply settling. These deliver both. Wear them with a tuck knit top, a linen shirt, or that Ponte blazer from Item 1, and you have an outfit that looks completely intentional from head to toe. So there you have it. 7 Walmart pieces that are not just budget-friendly but genuinely well-made, thoughtfully designed, and built for the kind of real life that women over 60 actually live. Here is what I want you to take away from today. The price tag on a piece of clothing is not always a reflection of its quality. Sometimes it is just a reflection of the marketing budget behind the brand. Your money is worth more than that. Your style is worth more than that. And you absolutely deserve to look amazing without spending a fortune to do it. The next time you walk into Walmart, walk in with intention. You now know exactly what to look for. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up because it genuinely helps more women in our community find this content. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 7 pieces you are most excited to try. I read every single comment and I would love to hear from you. And if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join our Styled Beyond 60 family and let us keep building a wardrobe that makes you feel like the best version of yourself every single day without breaking the bank. See you in the next one.